Does it matter how much I make? No, right? Because like if not, like I'm gonna be husking tomatoes for like 30 minutes.
No, just to make enough so the crew can eat some.
Hey y'all, my name is Ana Castro and I am the executive chef of Lengua Madre in the Lower Garden District of New Orleans. Today we're gonna be making everybody's favorite breakfast, chilaquiles, with a little twist, my grandma style. Anywhere you go in Mexico, you can find chilaquiles. Certainly gonna be delicious anywhere. It's really hard to have bad chilaquiles. Tortillas, chiles, tomatillos. What's not to love? So first we're gonna have tomatillos and we're gonna husk them. Then you're gonna give them a rinse. I love tomatillos, but I kinda hate that like whole tape feeling. We usually use serranos. I'm actually gonna use jalapeños for this one just because these guys are local. So they're really, really beautiful. Some cilantro, onion. Then we're just gonna cook them until they're done in water. Strain them, blend them. Season with salt. Then once when the sauce is ready, we'll toss in our tortillas. I feel like everybody puts like the tortilla chips in the pot, but we're gonna dress them to order just so they're like nice and crunchy. Fry a couple eggs. Put some crema, put some queso. You're done. Let's do it. So we're gonna give them a rinse. Put them in a pot with enough water to cover them by like an inch or two. Some onions. I have a secret. I don't love spicy food, so I'm just gonna put 2. If you also want to adjust the heat levels, you can always add them just raw into the blender. No one's gonna notice, promise. Huge debate in my family is if onions need to be thinly sliced in rings or actually finely chopped. I like my onions thinly sliced, so that's what I'm gonna do. My grandma's a very considerate person and she makes like onions 3 ways, so everybody can have their own onions. I think that's her way of saying like, she actually loves us, although we annoy her a lot. Shut up, please!
It's nice that you said please.
So this is boiling about 10-15 minutes. You can see the colors of the tomatoes have changed from like bright to a little dull. So that's about ready. A little bit of epazote. A lot of cilantro. Stems and all, everything, just throw it in there. I like to finish with my cilantro not really in the cooking liquid, but in the blender just so it's a little like fresher. You want like the stewed tomatillo flavor. It's like the cooked tomatillo flavor is so good. You don't have to have a Vitamix. Not that spicy. I will simmer it for a little bit. Let's fry some eggs. I got them yesterday at the farmer's market. This is gonna be your tortilla chips. These guys have been fried in the restaurant, so always use the day-old ones. Way easier to fry them because they're already dried a little bit. With the salsa verde, as much as you want, as little as you want. Garnish with crema, with some crumbled cheese, with some shaved onions. And a fried egg if you're having it for breakfast. If you're having it for lunch, maybe some pulled chicken. My grandma making this at home is like a pot, like probably 5 times the size of that one. And a bowl, like probably 10 times the size of that one. And everybody's just around the table. And my grandma is like a very attentive person. She is so sweet. It's a little different than like most people are used to, but that's how my grandma makes them.